Assalamu alaikum everybody. So we are starting our first lecture. The today's lecture's topic is rocks and minerals, and this chapter will be divided into two parts. So you will be having two lectures of this chapter. In first, what you will be covering? First, you will be covering rocks and minerals definition, the type of rocks, then the rock cycle, and last for today's lecture will be uses of rocks and minerals. So now let's move forward. So the first topic is what is rock? A rock is a naturally occurring solid material made up of one or more mineral that forms part of the earth crust. Examples: granite, sandstone, and marble. Minerals. Mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic substance with a definite chemical composition. Example: mica. Moving with igneous rock, the first type of a rock. How igneous rocks are formed? Igneous rocks are formed by lava through volcanic activity. Magma is released from the mantle. Magma rises towards the surface. The magma cools down to form igneous rock. So now look into the picture. The first what happening, lava is forming up. Lava cools quickly on the earth's surface. It solidifies to form igneous rocks. Examples in front of you. What happens? While the lava bursts and the magma comes on the surface. The magma cools, it solidifies, and it is it turns into the igneous solidifies, and it turns into the igneous rock. Okay. So moving with the second type, sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks made up of sediments. The question arises here: what are sediments? Sediments are small particles broken from different rocks. Okay. After breaking, they reach the seabed and accumulate. Example: sandstone and flint. Okay, now let's see the image for that. Weathering. The first how it becomes weathering and erosion. Rocks are broken down into the smallest pieces called sediments by winds, water, ice, or temperature change. Second, transport or deposition. The sediments are transported by water, wind, or ice. Compact Compaction. Over time, the weight of the overlaying sediments components the lower layer. And cementation. Okay, why I have used image? Because in your paper 1 and paper 2, you will be having images. So kindly focus on the images. When we will be solving the past papers, then you will know why I'm showing you the images of the main topics. Because you need to understand the images, because these type of images not such like relevant to like this, not these, but relevant images like that will be used in your papers, because the paper 2 will be about graphs and pictures and all of the things. So please make sure आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ थ्योरी का रट्टा नहीं लगाना है इस चैप्टर के अंदर, हमें इसके साथ साथ हमें अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करना है और डायग्राम्स और फॉर्मेशन और साइकिल्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना है. ये दो हमारे मेन मोटिव्स होने चाहिए. एंड थर्ड, हमें थ्योरी भी आनी चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली वी नीड टू लर्न थ्योरी, बट सिर्फ रट्टे से काम नहीं चलेगा. ओके, सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड द थर्ड टाइप, metamorphic rocks. Formed in the earth crust, existing rocks changes their shape and structure. Changes occurs due to heat and pressure. Heat is provided by magma, pressure is provided by plate boundaries. Examples in front of you. Existing rock, heat and pressure, then converted into metamorphic rocks. Okay, moving forward with the rock cycle. Igneous rock, weather and erosion, sedimentary rocks, heat and process, metamorphic rocks, and heat and pressure, melting, igneous. This cycle, you need to be very clear with the cycle. Okay. Now, moving forward, uses of different rocks and minerals. First, rocks, granite, used in buildings, in making of buildings, roads, and monuments. Basalt, roads constructions, used in railways, sandstone, building stones. Moving forward with minerals, quartz, glass manufacturers, and used in electronics. Gold, obviously we all know, famous for jewelry. Electronics, diamond used for jewelry, and cutting tools. So these are the topics that we covered today. Make sure you go through the notes, go through the slides, you go through it, try to grab the concept, focus what I've marked, focus on what I have highlighted, what I've underlined, focus on the diagram, focus on the cycle. And please focus on the notes as well. If you have any query, feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you.